To fight a mosquito disease, scientists did the last thing you would expect. They released more mosquitoes. This sounds backwards because we usually think the answer is to kill mosquitoes. But in this story, the mosquito is not the real villain. The real villain is a dengue virus riding inside the mosquito. A mosquito bites one infected person, picks up the virus, then bites someone else. So the mosquito works like a tiny flying taxi for the virus. The new idea is not to destroy every taxi, but to make the taxi bad for the passenger. That blue passenger is a tiny natural bacterium called Wolbachia. Wolbachia is not poison, and it is not gene editing. It is a natural microbe that already lives in many insects. When Wolbachia is inside the mosquito, dengue has a harder time growing there. If the virus cannot grow well, it is less likely to reach the next person. So the mosquito is still a mosquito, but it becomes a much worse dengue taxi. The next question is simple. How do you get Wolbachia into a whole neighborhood? Scientists release male and female mosquitoes that already carry Wolbachia. Those mosquitoes breed with wild mosquitoes and their babies carry Wolbachia too. After months, the blue passenger can spread through much of the local mosquito population. Now the virus has fewer good taxis to ride through the city. This was tested in a real city, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Some areas got Wolbachia mosquitoes and some areas did not. Then researchers compared dengue cases between the two areas. In treated areas, dengue cases fell by about 77%. Hospitalized dengue fell by about 86%. That does not mean every mosquito disappeared. It means the disease chain became much harder to complete. Now Brazil is scaling the idea with a giant mosquito egg factory. The goal is to make up to 100 million Wolbachia mosquito eggs per week. But this only works if local communities understand and accept the release. The big lesson is not that mosquitoes suddenly became good. The lesson is that the virus lost its favorite ride. And sometimes the strangest way to fight a mosquito disease is to send in better mosquitoes.